Hey, how you doing, guys? Um, yeah, this is my G37 Infiniti. So it was acting up last night. So I was going to do DoorDash, and it's like I couldn't start. I couldn't start the car, and when he actually start, I couldn't turn off the car because it's like there's a bunch of lights on the dashboard like keeps popping up, and there's like, the high beam light keep like turning off by itself, the radio, the AC. And I went on YouTube so I can like see what was the problem, what's wrong with the car, but I couldn't find it. And I saw a lot of people been complaining about the same problem, and but they didn't find any solution. It's like, what I did is I was talking to a friend, and he told me that is it has a Honda, and he told me last month his car was giving him the same problem, and he said, but the battery, the key battery was, need to be changed, so that was the problem. So he told me to do the same thing, and I just went to AutoZone. I just purchased a battery for my Infiniti. I just changed the battery. It comes with two. I just use one of them. So it's like, yeah, it works now. So I just changed the battery, and boom, my my car works perfect now. I can start the car and turn it off, start it again, and that's it. It's like you guys don't need to go like to a dealer, pay like a lot of money, because I'm pretty sure they're gonna charge you a lot of money for that. They're not gonna tell you the truth. So I hope you guys good luck. If you have an Infiniti G37, it's acting up, you can't start it, or if it starts, it gives you a lot of trouble to turn off the car. You need to change the battery. The battery has to be changed. That's the only problem he has, not the fuse box. Like people say, though, they went on they pop up the wood, they check all the fuse box. So no, that's not the problem. That's You need to change, the battery. That's all. Thanks, guys. I hope it works for you.